What is a refractometer and how does it work? Lee here from the Slushie Specialists. A refractometer is a device used to measure the Brix level of a product. They come in a variety of styles and ranges. Here we have the handheld 32% Brix Refractometer. The Brix level is the sugar content of a solution. This is very important when making slushies because the slushie machines work based on the sugar content of the slushie mix. If the sugar content is too high, then the mix won't freeze. If the sugar level is too low, then the mix will overfreeze and do damage to your machine. The refractometer is a really simple to use device. First thing to check is that it is correctly calibrated. The way we do this is by putting distilled water on the prism, closing the daylight plate, and having a look through the eyepiece. This should give you a reading of 0. If it doesn't, you can use a small screwdriver to adjust the calibration level. Once calibrated, the next step is to test the mix. This must be done when the mixture is in liquid form, not frozen, as the temperature can affect the reading. Put a few drops of the liquid to cover the prism. Close the daylight plate and look through the eyepiece up towards the light. Make sure it is clearly focused. If required, you can rotate the focus adjustment to modify. When clear, you'll see a point where the blue and the white meet. This meeting point is your Brix reading. With slushies, the ideal Brix level is between 12 and 14%. If the Brix level is above this range, you'll need to add more water. If the Brix level is below this range, you'll need to add more syrup. If you're using with alcohol, the readings will be skewed, so you may need to use another method to be more accurate. If creating your own recipes, this is an essential item in making sure you create a stable, consistent mixture every time. We hope you found this very helpful. If you have any other questions about refractometers or mixing ratios, please feel free to reach out so we can assist further. Have a great day.